In this video, we take a look at a new keyboard by Thermaltake's esports division, the Challenger. Inside the box you are presented with the drivers, manual, fan, key puller, Windows dummy keys and the keyboard itself. The first thing you notice is that the keyboard incorporates a braided cable, which ensures cable longevity and tangle-free gaming. At closer examination, the keys are not full height nor are low profile. The height is somewhere in between and is surprisingly comfortable to type on. A unique feature offered is that the ability to connect a supplied fan, which is designed for hand cooling. This is rather something unusual to be seen on a keyboard, but when you think that this keyboard is targeted at gamers and most gaming sessions last a long time, the addition of a cooling fan is welcome. Along the back of the keyboard is the fan holder and a single USB 2.0 port. The bottom has 4 rubber pads to hold the keyboard in place and the normal kickflip stands to raise the keyboard. The addition of the dummy keys provides the ability to remove the Windows key. This ensures you do not minimize the game accidentally while playing. There is a function key to enable audio controls located on the F numbers on the keyboard. The keyboard provides a 32 kilobyte onboard memory for storage of game macros and also has the ability for onboard profile switching for game changes. Overall, this keyboard is a solid contender in the gaming division. However, after using multiple keyboards with illuminated keys, the exclusion of this feature has left me slightly disappointed. However, Thermaltake has addressed this issue by offering another version of this keyboard called the Challenger Pro. This Challenger Pro keyboard includes a red illumination of keys. You will have to check the price of this keyboard with your local suppliers. To find out more on Thermaltake products or any products, make sure to check out our YouTube channel, Product Feedback, and ensure that you have subscribed to be notified on the latest in tech. To be updated on the latest product feedback videos, make sure that you have subscribed.